guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm off for a party to my friend's house in Dubai. I'm in a very beautiful place right now. I wanted to show you. It's called Jumeirah. Look at the vibe here, guys. I think it's not really visible. It's a very beautiful area. You know, there are back-to-back coffee shops and a lot of eating places. There's this Asian market here and then escape room. I'm wearing this sari here and I just tried a new hairstyle. So my friend, she just had a baby girl. We just wanted to go and wish them. They have a Diwali party also. I'm going to take you in the party as well. So see you guys in some time. Guys, so finally I'm back from the party and going back home. It was so wonderful to meet people across over the globe. That's the best part of Dubai, that you keep meeting people and you keep exploring. You never get like okay with where you are because there's so much to learn, so much to see. That's the best part of Dubai, guys, because people are doing so many things in Dubai. You just feel like, oh my god, there's so much more I can do with my life. So signing off right now. It's too late right now in Dubai. Good night, you all. Good morning, everyone. So finally saw my party videos. It was so much fun, guys. Especially the DJ was so amazing. I've been to a lot of parties and there are very good DJs or live singers, but this one, trust me, there were so many people and nobody was sitting. Everybody was dancing. Even the non-dancers were dancing because he was so good. His name is Sunny DXP and really a cool one. So anyways, it's the next morning now and I'm off to the gym. It's almost 10:30 in Dubai. I've been putting a lot of videos on Instagram for my gym. So I thought, why not to show you guys the gym I go to, what do I actually do there. So come along with me and let's go to the gym. And here I am, guys. Finally I've reached my gym. My gym's name is 24 Fitness. It's in Al Quoz. It's been almost 3 to 4 months I've been very regular here, and you'll understand why I'm so regular once you enter inside. The vibe and everybody's working so hard on their body, it just motivates you to do more. This is how I look right now. 30 minutes of cardio and you sweat out. See you at the workout session now. Okay guys, so I'm done with the cardio and now I will do my warm up, and after that I start with my trainer. I'll try to show what we actually do, but it's never one thing that we do, okay? One day we do legs, one day we do biceps, one day we do the whole training. So it goes like that. So let's see what he makes me do today.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, start.
You know, I started having so much fun with these machines. Actually, it's just a mindset now, I realize. When I come here, I tell myself I'm actually going to play for an hour or so. And this is just one part of it. There's so many websites also. Endless machines. That's all for the day. Gym is done. Now time to get back to work and have good food.